In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install the NHS app on an Apple iPhone. First of all, you'll need to go to your App Store. So if you find that on your phone, on mine it's the one there, it says App Store. You can see with that icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to open it. Under where it says Search, it says Games, App, Stories and More. Tap in that box there and the keyboard will come up. And then just start typing NHS. You can see there's the first result. So if you just tap on that. Be careful, sometimes on the App Store there is an advert app on the first one, so just make sure you can see there the NHS app. If you've downloaded it before, it'll have a little cloud with the arrow on it just to say it will re-download it for you. If it's an app that you haven't had before, just like that one there where it says Get. If it says Get, it means it's free. If there is any charge for an app, it will have the price in that little box there. So if it says Get or there's a cloud there, you know that it's not going to cost you anything. So in this case, we'll just tap on the cloud and that will begin the download. Once it's downloaded, give you the option to open it. So you can open it direct from the App Store. So just tap Open. There we go. We're straight onto the NHS app, ready to sign in or set up the app. To open the NHS app from your home screen, what you'll need to do is just cycle through your home screen pages until you find the NHS app. So here we can see it's in the bottom right corner. So to open the app, just tap on it. And that takes us into the sign-in screen where you tap Continue with NHS Login to sign in or set up your NHS account. So that's how to download, install and locate the NHS app on your Apple iPhone. Thanks for watching.